Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm pretty much going to show you how to remake your sole, the bottom of your shoe, whether it's the midsole, bottom part of your shoe, pretty much how to make it white again. Um, these are a perfect example. These are my wife's shoes. As you can see, they've been through better days. Pretty much, she just wears them around the house. But what I'm going to do is pretty much clean them. Uh, and then also I'm gonna go ahead and re-whiten the sole. This is pretty much a previous shoe I did, which are my Air Force Ones. The midsole was yellow, and I pretty much brought them back to life. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for these shoes. First thing you want to start off with is some water, some soap, and a couple items you will need for this video. It's gonna be a Pro Care 40. I brought this from Sally's. I think it was like $5. I have my little cleaning brushes, microfiber towel, and then I have a brush with the Salon Care 40 on there. That's pretty much what you're gonna use to apply to the bottom part of the sole. That's yellow. And then you will need some cling wrap, which you would wrap at the bottom part of the shoe. Set it in the sun for about 2 to 3 hours. It might need a little bit longer depending on how damaged the midsole or the sole is. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the shoe and then show you guys the other steps to take. Alright, so first thing I did was pretty much use my soft brush just to set up the shoe, get it all, soaped up. Knocked off some dirt, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that away and let you see that is still yellow. So put that right there. Alright, so it's a little bit better than what it is, but I know I could get the shoe whiter in some areas. Right here. Also, like mainly the toe box area right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and step up to another size brush, a little bit more aggressive, and continue. Alright, so with this shoe, I mean, you could already see a difference. That's just, soap and water and the brushes I'm using, but you can still see the bottom yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Salon Care 40 on that, and then I'm gonna wrap it up with the cling wrap and set it out in the sun, like I said, for about 2-3 hours, and get back to you guys and let you guys do see the difference. I pretty much do a side by side with this shoe and the other shoe, so that way you guys can see before and after. I'll be right back. Alright, so pretty much I'm applying the Salon Care 40 to the bottom of the shoe. Like I said, this pretty much any of your shoes that are white, whether it's I know Yeezys have a problem with the discoloring. Air Force Ones also, you can pretty much use it, same pretty much set, clean the shoe, apply the Salon Care 40, and go from there. So you just want to make sure you get a nice good coat around the shoe, so that way when you apply the cling wrap, it pretty much stays, and any excess that's left over after you feel like the shoe is white enough, pretty much you're just gonna wipe it down. So like I said, I'm just applying it to the areas that need it. Excuse the background noise. But yeah, so the shoe's pretty much covered in Pro Care 40. Kept calling it Salon Care, but it's Pro Care 40. Like I say, you can get it from Sally's, but it's covered. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the cling wrap and then go from there. Alright, so I pretty much got the shoe wrapped completely around. If you have rubber bands or something laying around, you could go ahead and wrap the toe and the heel part of the shoe. But for the meat part, shoe's pretty much wrapped. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the sun. Let that sit for about, like I said, 2 to 3 hours, and get back with you guys and let you guys see the difference. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's been about 4 hours. I let it sit out. Time to do this unveil. Let's check this out. Take these rubber bands off. Alright, so most definitely I can see a difference. Let me wipe this off real quick. Wipe the excess off. That's crazy. Alright, so if you remember the shoe earlier, I'm gonna show you how it looks now. Alright, so the midsole, super white, pretty much looks brand new. Are some scuff marks, but the toe area, remember that part was like yellow, it's white now. Same thing on this side. Even the bottom of the shoe, way cleaner, as you can see. It's gonna get dirty again, but overall the shoe looks pretty much good. It brought the shoe back to life. So it seems like the longer you let the shoe sit, the more the Pro Care 40 has to absorb into the material. But yeah, pretty much looks like a brand new shoe. So like I said, you can get the Pro Care 40 from well, this one I got from Sally's, but you could check out a beauty supply place and see if they have it there. They should have it. It might not be the same name, but just ask them for a cream. This is a cream developer. Ask them for something like that, see what they have. Like I said, this one I got from Sally's for about $5. But yeah, pretty much you'll just need the Pro Care 40, painter's brush or whatever, and some saran wrap, and pretty much sunlight, and you'll be good. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Never graduated, always faded, hella hated by the most, but I don't give a fuck because the sweet I